Hi Filmator, on today's mini tutorial, we're going to walk you through an exciting feature, generating captions for any template with just a few taps. Following these steps, you will master this simple process in no time. So, let's start with an already open template that has a video. Keep in mind, this video needs to include speaking audio, as our app cannot generate captions where there isn't any. Next, we will dive into our controls and go to General. There, you will find the Captions option. Tap on it and let Filma do the magic. With the power of AI, Filma will detect the language used in your video, and in no time, we'll have captions ready for you. What about refining the text in your captions? Well, that's easy too. You can edit the text as you require and group words as per your preference. Whether it's grouping of 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 words, the choice is absolutely yours. You can unleash your creativity and experiment with the appearance of your captions. Our app includes presets to adjust the animation, size, and position of the subtitles. Feel free to try and test till you get the look you desire. Once you are completely satisfied with your selection, preview your final result by tapping on play. This will give you an exact picture of how your video and captions will appear. The final touch, export your video, and voila, your video is ready to shine with perfectly synced captions. And that sums up our tutorial for today, Filmator. We are glad you chose Filma to empower your creativity, and we promise to stand by you on your journey to become an internet star. If you have any questions or need support, remember, our team is only a click away. Stay creative.